Hi guys, I'm doing a video on my cat Bree. She's playing so happily with this toy right here. See, this is her toy. Watch this, what she does. She's so cute when she plays with this. Ow! She caught my finger. Oh, gotta get that. Alright, time to see now. Getting. What's that? What's that? Getting. What's this? Come on, getting Bree. She's throwing him down. That's so cute. Oh, whoa, oh. Pass that thing. No. Alright, pass it. Alright, Bree. Alright. See it? Getting. She's so cute. Look at her. Look at that cute face. You can't resist that, can't you? No, you can't. Getting Bree. Come on, baby. Come on. Look at that. Oh, she does. She's so cute. Getting. Look at her. Look what she does. Oh, just get that. Look at that, Bree. Look at her. So cute. Look at her. Come on, Bee. Getting. Look at her. Just look at that. This is cool. Watch this. Come on, Bee. Oh my god. That's so cute. Alright. Now, look at it. She loves this toy. She keeps chewing its ass all the time. Okay. Alright, she's getting back up here. Alright, see what she did. Oh, she dropped it. Alright. Okay. Watch this. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at her. She's a cute cat. Come on, Bee. Look at it. Oh, she dropped it in the bag in here. Whoa. Here it is, Bree. Whoa. Alright. I think this is enough playing with Bree. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at her, she's savage. Alright. There, here you go, Bee. Alright guys, that's my cat Bree playing. We'll see you next time. Now watch Bree play for the last part of this video. Try to get back on track. Here we go. What? British Columbia Highway stretches. I'm getting Bee. Getting. He's gonna get you. Look at her. Alright, bye guys.